When it comes to learning programming, you have two choices, the hard way or the easy way. The hard way involves watching hours of content, hoping to eventually grasp the art of programming. But with this system I am about to share with you, everything will change. In just 4 weeks, you will witness a remarkable transformation in your programming abilities. Here's how it works. Week 1. Dive into a beginner-friendly program that requires little to no effort. This is an introductory project that will boost your confidence and lay a solid foundation for your programming journey. And then in week 2, learn the fundamental concepts and principles of programming while building upon the easy program from the first week. Develop a deeper understanding of coding and applications. Week 3. Showcase the program you created to someone, whether it's a friend, a mentor, or even a small audience. Presenting your work will enhance your communication skills and provide valuable feedback. Week 4. Take the basic concepts you've learned and apply them to build a brand new program from scratch. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding and empowers you to create more complex and innovative projects. By following this structured approach, you will gradually gain confidence and proficiency in programming. This system ensures that each week you build on the previous, reinforcing your knowledge and skills. Don't waste any time struggling through ineffective learning methods. Embrace this groundbreaking system and unlock the potential to become a programming master. Get started on your journey today. If you want to become a Python pro faster, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for new coding tips each week.